Speaker, I present the budget for 25-26. This budget continues our government's efforts to A. Accelerate growth, B. Secure inclusive development, C. Invigorate private sector investments, D. Uplift household sentiments, and E. Enhance spending power of India's rising middle class.
बिथाङानो जाहैबाय जोंनि फाइनान्स मिनिस्टार श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारामन। बिथाङा मैया पार्लियामेन्टआव 2025 आरो 2026 नि इउनियन बाजेट प्रेजेन्ट खालामदोंमोन। जों मिथिखागौ पार्लियामेन्टआ मोनसे chaotic place. Anyway, we are going to live with this. Hello students. बिथाङा मैया नोंसिनि थाखाय मोनथाम गोजोनथाव खौरां लानानै फैदों। फारियै नाम्बार 1 आव दङ जोंहा expansion of capacity in IITs. IIT फ्राव सीट केपासिटीखौ बारायगोन। नाम्बार 2 दङ जोंहा expansion of medical education. मेडिकेल कलेजफ्रावबो सीटफोरखौ बारायगोन। बेनिफ्राय थर्ड आव दङ जोंहा Center of Excellence in AI for Education. AI means Artificial Intelligence. AI स्पेसआवबो Center of Excellence बानायगोन होनदों एजुकेशननि थाखाय। ओके, दानिया जों गुवारै सावरायनि। अलराइट, नैबेनो जाहैदों expansion of capacity in IITs. Total number of students in 23 IITs, जोंहा 23 IITs दं, has increased 100% from 65,000 to 1.35 lakhs in the past 10 years. Very good. Additional infrastructure will be created in the 5 IITs started after 2014 to facilitate education for 6,500 more students. This is a very good news. Additional seats बारायनो नागिरदों 6,500. मोजाङै फराय, बेयो मोनसे मोजां खाबुथार. You should get a seat in IITs, any of the IITs. सीट लानानै मोजां फरायदो, हायार एजुकेशनाव थांदो। नेक्स्टआव दङ जोंहा expansion of medical education. Our government has added almost 1.1 lakh UG and PG medical education seats in 10 years. Very good. An increase of 130%. In the next year, 10,000 additional seats will be added in medical colleges. Wow, this is really good. 10,000 seats बारायनो नागिरदों next year. Alright, very good opportunity guys. Don't miss this out. Never miss it. Okay. बेनिफ्राय नेक्स्टआव दङ थर्ड, Center of Excellence in AI for Education. I had announced 3 centers of excellence in artificial intelligence for agriculture, health, and sustainable cities in 2023. Now, a center of excellence in artificial intelligence for education will be set up with a total outlay of 500 crore. This is a huge money, 500 crore behind a center of excellence खुलिने नागिरदों for education. This is again very good opportunity for you guys for higher studies. Then you need to know everything is driven by artificial intelligence. Even education, नोंसिनि school college फ्रावबो artificial intelligence teacher फैगोन. AI agent, they will be like your teachers. दाबो दङ, होमबाबो school college फ्राव फैयाखै, लासैनो फैगोन. This is the first step. Okay. Be ready for the future. मोजाङै फराय, गोबां opportunity दङ. Alright. दिनैनि भिडियोखौ बावनो फोजोबनाय जाबाय. Keep reading. Take care. Bye.